Hey guys, how are you doing today? So my friends and I are here to talk to you about type 1 diabetes. So did you know that out of 325 million Americans, 1.25 million are living with type 1 diabetes? So in a normal human body, when high levels of glucose are detected in your bloodstream, your pancreas produces a hormone called insulin. Insulin binds to receptors in the cell membrane, producing a cellular response that allows glucose to enter the cell in from the bloodstream. Now, in type 1 diabetes, insulin is not produced. This is a problem because what's going to let glucose into your cells from the bloodstream? Well, there's nothing. Nothing there to connect with receptors, so this causes an issue because it leaves you with high levels of glucose in your blood.
Some common symptoms associated with type 1 diabetes are weight loss, increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme hunger, blurred vision, fatigue and weakness, irritability, and mood changes. Some complications associated with type 1 diabetes are hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar, hypertension, which is high blood pressure, dyslipidemia, which is abnormally high amounts of cholesterol or lipids in the bloodstream, heart attacks, eye problems, such as glaucoma, kidney disease, diabetic neuropathy, and amputations.
The food we eat provides our body with energy in the form of glucose. This glucose will eventually enter the bloodstream with the help of the hormone insulin and help cells perform their daily function. The hormone insulin is produced by beta cells in the pancreas. Within pancreatic cells, the insulin is held within insulin vesicles. This insulin will be released into the bloodstream and help glucose enter, for example, skeletal muscle cells or liver cells. This is what happens normally. With someone with type 1 diabetes, there is no insulin available, and this means that glucose will not be able to enter skeletal muscle cells or any other type of cell.
So next we'll be talking about the rates of diagnosed diabetes by ethnicity and race. So we found this graph on the American Diabetes Association page. So they found that American Indians have the highest rate, followed by non-Hispanic blacks, and then Hispanics, Asians, and then Hispanic whites. They're unsure why that American Indians have the highest rate. They believe it could be some kind of genetic, environmental, or behavioral issues, such as insulin resistance. Okay, next we'll be talking about different treatment options. There are different types of insulin rapid acting and long acting and intermediate options depends on how much insulin you need for the day. There's different ways to administer the insulin by injection or insulin pump, and there's also other treatment options such as the artificial pancreas and other medications that can help treat the symptoms of diabetes.